TripleA is a robust and reliable cryptocurrency payment gateway designed for businesses seeking efficient and secure ways to accept digital currencies. With its streamlined integration process, TripleA enables merchants to start accepting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins without hassle. This platform stands out with features like instant payment processing, no chargebacks, and a transparent fee structure. Whether you're an e-commerce retailer or a large enterprise, TripleA's API integration and plug-and-play solutions make it an attractive option. TripleA supports multiple cryptocurrencies, allowing businesses to reach a broader customer base globally. The platform emphasizes security, providing a fully compliant and licensed solution that aligns with international financial regulations. One of the most attractive aspects of TripleA is its seamless onboarding process. Merchants can set up their accounts and begin transactions in minutes, thanks to its intuitive interface and step-by-step guidance. The platform also offers automated conversion of cryptocurrency to fiat, helping businesses mitigate the volatility associated with digital currencies. This makes TripleA not only user-friendly, but also an efficient tool for global commerce. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Businesses can also benefit from TripleA's detailed analytics and reporting tools. These features allow merchants to monitor their transactions and gain insights into customer behavior, making it easier to optimize payment processes. Moreover, TripleA provides 24/7 customer support, ensuring that users have access to assistance whenever needed. TripleA continues to enhance its features to cater to evolving market demands, solidifying its position as a leading player in the cryptocurrency payment space. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest insights and reviews.